How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, then tap on the search icon. Now type TikTok, then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Now after updating, simply go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find TikTok, tap on TikTok and click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage Uses and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and restart TikTok. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.